to find and remove the car jack from the Toyota Prado 2020. Okay, so you want to open up the back door here. Then we go in, and on the left hand side, open this up, and here inside you will find a car jack. So basically we just need to turn this one. So here you can see, you turn it like so, and then pull out. So I might need to turn a little bit more to lower it down. See that? Okay, now that's much better. We can see better now. So you can see we lower it down. Now we can remove it like that, and we take it out. And that's it. That's how you can remove the car jack. And then over here in this compartment there are tools that you can, here we can remove this tool. This will allow you to, has all the extensions allowing you to jack up your car. It's in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching.